their crown. The question is whether they can defend it. First ball. Oh, played into the leg side, slight bounce. Oh, up in the air, there is a fielder, but he will only be a spectator. Oh, flicked off the pads and off it goes into the stands. Oh, pulled away, there is a fielder, chance for an opportunity and taken. Charges down the track and that is going to be a thick outside edge. Back Chaudhary. There it comes once again. Charges down, gives it the Humpty, up and over the infield and pulled away. And it goes all the way into the stands for... Oh, slashed away over the point region. Dheeraj joins in the party and adds a bound.
दोबारा कह रहा हूं कि स्क्वायर ऑफ द विकेट रन्स बहुत बनेंगे और बॉलर्स को यही करना है कि बैटर्स को स्क्वायर ऑफ द विकेट ना बना.
158 together. This time played it nicely. We'll get a boundary. This time plays that uppishly. Third man will only be a spectator as the ball sails over his head. इस बार फिर स्क्वीज करके निकाला, गेंद जा रही है एक बार फिर चौके के लिए. Prashant Solanki to continue this time down the ground. The fielder will
साथ खेला हूं वो किरण मोरे फिर नयन मंगिया और ये ऊपर उठा दिया है अजीम खान ने, काजी ने, और ये हाथ में गया कैच. जीत बोल रहा है.
Very impressive T20 career. Very first delivery, slams it down the ground, will get a boundary. What a start.
Comes down the track and smashes it into the leg side. Is that going to be a drop chance? Looks like. Dances down the track and sends it high and mighty near the side screen. Oh, castled, knocked over.
और मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं वो लाइन भी गलत खेल गए निखिल. बिल्कुल क्रीज के कोने से फेंकी थी, बहुत ज़्यादा टर्न नहीं हुई है. बिल्कुल लाइन गलत खेल गए यहाँ पे निखिल. लाइन में आया होता था, ज़्यादा फील करता ही नहीं था.
Swung into the leg side and bisects the fielders because they're going to be all...
The third edition. And Dheeraj Fatangre looking for a couple of runs. He'll get a single. He gets a 50. His second against Eagle Nashik Titans. He's held the innings together. इस बार खेल दिया है उसे और मिलेगा नहीं. Very well fielded there. नहीं गया. चौका. एक पद. Slow delivery, picked that one nicely, but straight to the fielder.
तो गेंद 6 रन के लिए निकल जाती, लेकिन बहुत ही अच्छी कैच जंप करके ले लिया.
Shortest delivery, pulls that one nicely. What a way to start. This time down the ground. What a strike. What a strike by Dheeraj.
पूरे किए हैं महाराष्ट्र प्रीमियर लीग में. 5वां बैट्समैन ऐसा है जिसने.
इस बार फिर फुल टॉस. इस बार क्या होने वाला है वहां पर, क्या फैसला है? छक्का. What a way to end the over. Again a full toss, but straight to the fielder there. Well taken there by.
He has been fantastic. It was a very low catch. He dived in front and didn't let go.
He's been dismissed for 7. 165 for 5. And easy as it comes.
Shot to Sahil, who had just come in. And in
Sahil Churi is gone for a duck. It's 165 for 6. And he gets a 6 on the very first delivery.
ऐसा लगा था कि बहुत ज़्यादा रन्स होंगे और ये फुल टॉस बॉल अच्छी तरह से स्कूप किया है फाइनल की दिशा में.
Again this time will get a boundary. Ratnagiri Jets need boundary style. Yes he can. Yes he can. He lost Preetham Patil quite early But then the skipper Azim Khan.
Speak.
40 मुकाबलों में 30 विकेट हैं इनके नाम.
Oh, thick edge, inside edge, and that's gonna scoot all. This time, plonks off the front foot. Exquisite looking stroke that from Mandar. Back to back force. Pulled away into the stands. First 6 for Mandar and a big shot once again. 3 boundaries on the dot. 6 followed by 2 back-to-back fours, and Mandar is absolutely toying with the field and the bowling attack right now.
शुरुआत तो अच्छी करी है जी, लेकिन ये शॉट कमाल का है.
Backs away, a bit of ingenuity. How good looking and well deserved a four is that.
Driven nicely. Fantastic shot. There by Mandar Bhandari.
और एक लीडिंग स्पिनर है महाराष्ट्र रणजी ट्रॉफी के लिए, और ये बहुत ही अच्छा शॉट मारा है मंदार ने, और ये उसके 50 रन पूरे हो चुकी है. रन्स नहीं आ रहे, अच्छी गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इस बार
Jaw. This time makes room and smacks that one into the stand. This time once again. It's even longer.
Slog sweeps. Fielder trying to get closer to this one. Perhaps mighty Mandar charges down the track, straight as an arrow, along the carpet, and that's going to be another.
वहां पे भी कैसे रन्स बनाने हैं.
Shuffles across, plays this nice and fine. Back-to-back boundaries for. That's not a shot, that's a statement. Up and over. Along it goes into the stands. Mandar Bhandari take about. This is. Up it goes. Fielder circling underneath it, and this time latches onto it. Does.
और आप ये देखिए 12 ओवर में 122 पहुंचे हुए हैं. पिछला ओवर डाला 2 कैचेस के मौके थे, वहां पे दोनों कैचेस छूटे. एक बार फिर से अच्छी गेंदबाजी करी. अश्विन लगातार स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे इस इनिंग में, कभी भी कंट्रोल में लगे नहीं. इस बार खिलाड़ी ने इन्होंने बनाए 29-32 गेंदों में.
Now, out comes the left. Off it scoots away towards the fine leg rope.
दूसरे एंगल से एक बार जरूर चेक करेंगे अंपायर.
Mandar Bhandari. Sahil Parekh goes big into the leg side, evades the field.
पहली गेंद में जो शॉट लगाया था ना, वो भी बहुत बड़े तरीके से लगाया था. और स्विंग देखिए आप, कितना बढ़िया तरीके से स्विंग और शॉट कितनी चाहिए, 33 में 58 ही चाहिए.
Full toss, swung into the leg side, and that is going to be a century for Mandar Bhandari, and he gets to the landmark in absolute style. It is the second 100 for Mandar at the Adani MPL, a class.
भी करके गए हैं. 6 छक्के इस पारी में, 11 चौके.
195. A look at that stroke that took him to that 100-run mark. Absolute belligerence, acknowledging the applause from the crowd that's turned up and enthralled itself, and that show of aggression.
What a way for him, and that's 100 shot over the point region.
ball is in store. It's a ranked full toss, and another catch dropped. There have been too many drop catches Sahil Parekh has in store. Ball pitched up, hoiked away to glory. Another.
Once more full toss, and here a bit of change in pace. Full toss, driven nicely, gets a boundary. That ends over number 7. Divyang back again. Another full toss down the ground.
And Mandar Bhandari 52 of 30 balls.
Another full toss. This has been dismissed. Going to be a close call. Oh, what a shot! What a shot there by Sahil Parekh. Ready. Oh, what a strike! What a strike! Terrified. Bit of change in pace. Sahil Parekh spotted. Eagle Nashik Titans are doing it. Full toss. And that's the field. Oh, huge appeal there. huge appeal there.
Yeah, all tracking coming up. Original decision not out. Pitching outside of impact in line. Wickets missing. Back to on-field umpire Ganesh. Ganesh, you're on the screen.
Quite a statement, and also confirms the Dheeraj Fatangare remained unbeaten on